Hey everybody, it is May 4th, the last full week of classes. So here are your assignments that are due this week by Friday, so that next week you can do your final exam, the two parts of it. And I'll talk about that at the end of this week, beginning of next. So for Friday, you have to have done in the critical thinking module, argument. Okay? So you want to finish the argument, My Skills Lab. You also want to complete in Grammar Handbook the last grammar unit that I started talking about the beginning of last week, which is pronoun antecedent agreement errors. Okay, remember you have to scroll down to get to the post-test. So those two My Skills Labs are the last two My Skills Labs that will be due this week. The third assignment is the culmination of the argument persuasive assignment. This will be posted on Blackboard under writing assignments. Your job is to complete this and fill it out and send it to me. So the inverted triangle and your thesis statement that you were working on last week just get placed here. You then need to create 3 paragraphs. You're not writing the actual paragraph, you're outlining it. So your 3 topic sentences go here. What are the 3 reasons that you believe this thesis statement to be true? Now, we've worked all semester on developing good topic sentences and good paragraphs. So each one of these should be well developed. You should have bulleted lists of what evidence are you going to use to support that particular topic sentence. What evidence in here are you going to use to support? Just do bullets. There should be a handful of them in each one. Okay, so your 3 sentences for your inverted triangle and then your thesis go put in the top box. Your 3 topic sentences that support this thesis go in here, and then the evidence that you're going to use to support each one is a bulleted list in here. There is also going to be a PowerPoint that talks about writing concluding paragraphs. It will also be in the writing folder. Okay. So you're going to create, based on that PowerPoint, a good concluding paragraph. 4 or 5 sentences, that's it. So that by Friday afternoon, you will have completed this and filled it out and submitted it to me and completed your 2 My Skills Labs. The pronoun antecedent that's in the handbook and the critical thinking, which is the 3rd module in as soon as it comes up, in the critical thinking box. All right, those 3 assignments need to come in this week by Friday afternoon. If you have any questions, send me an email and I will talk to you soon.